Night bus! Whoa! Excited. Favorite movie ni Rico?
Hindi, Lord of the Rings ako.
Oh, ba't ka sumama?
Second.
Tataas tayo. So parang galing kami Manila at pumunta kami sa Enchanted Kingdom. Hinatid kami ng bus. Yan yung mga want nila. Harry Potter! Whee! And Kai, kanina to? Dumbledore. Ang cute oh, nakahiga sila. Amazing! Amazing, amazing, amazing. If you're a fan, you should go here. You must. Guys, look. Ito yung kanyang under the stairs na bahay. Aww. Oh, okay. Picture tayo. Pa-picture tayo dyan kila Paul. Dali. After them.
Tapos yung sapatos niya yun, oh.
Oh. Yan yung mga bola na lumilipad sa ere. Wow, look at that. Ito yung dorm nila. Grabe. Ito yung dorm nila. Tara. This is their dorm. Cute, ang liit.
Plastic animals and mutes and things like that.
This is the
Now, as you are making your way in through those doors and having a closer look around at this amazing set, I'm sure you couldn't help but notice that we are set and ready for the end of Terror and Feast scene from Harry Potter and the Philosopher's Stone. Above your heads, we have the Gryffindor banners that are hung up there, when they of course get last minute house points and win the House Cup. More on that shortly.
Welcome to all of the studio tours under the making of Harry Potter during our first year at
Hagrid's
Hogwarts.
hut.
My name is Sam, and over this way I'll be giving you an insight into a few effects used in filming Harry Potter and the Quidditch scenes specifically.
What's this now? Get on here.
Pag kumuha ka ng ganun,
I won't let you.
merong magano.
Neville, I'm really sorry.
Yeah. Galing na na. Hindi natin nakita. Ayun na.
Wawa naman siya yun.
The motorbike. Hagrid's motorbike. If you know, you know. If you're a fan, you know. Imagine mo kahit Monday ngayon, puno sila, no? Ano, may lalabas ba dyan? Kahit Monday. Ay, yun mo nga, day, night. Asan? Wala eh. Oh, okay. That's it. Paglaban niya. Diba? Grabe yan, oh. Love, ang dilim. Dito mo. Love, dito mo to. Dito mo to. Yan dilim. Ikot tayo, ikot tayo. Scary.
May spider.
Spider web.
Spider. Where's the spider?
Oh! Ayun, oh. Oh! Ay! Oh my gosh! So big! Oh, wow!
Scary.
That's a big one. Whoa! Whoa! Ooh! Ito yung laging nagpapadala ng letter. Tapos, ito na yung room niya. Can we open this? Or not? Bawal nga palang hawakan. Wow! Cute! So nice. Oh, pati yung backyard nila. It's here. Pati backyard nila, sis. Nandyan. Galing. Aww. Oo. Si Dobby.
Sabihin mo na.
Okay, happy? Happy ba? Yun na yun. Yung iba hindi nahihila. Cute na ba?
Mami, live mo. Ilangan.
Ito video ko eh.
Okay, game, go. Ilan? Balik ka, nag-drive yung babae.
Wait, matching ba? Ready? Dapat acting tayo. One. Oh, it's scary. Look at this, so big. Look at this. Whoa.
Yung ano.
Oo.
Yung kamay ng ano.
Oo, ang galing.
That's good.
Si Dabi. Tapos biglang dumilat si Dabi, no? Goblin. Grabe, may Avino pa yung Harry Potter. Oh. Iba din, oh. Let's go to the vault. Let's go to our vault. What's a vault? Goblin bank teller.
Ito yan, oh. Ito yan na.
Needed to be something with a lot of energy. It needed to have a sense of drama and jeopardy almost to it because we're trying to heighten the tension of what's happening at the moment. The difference from the first body parts, we can pretty much all in camera. On the second part, made up from the timber. And that made it easier for us when the spirit came back into the set. We could then give it a more efficient work. There were big cuts into the side of the set. And then the shelving side.
Wow, dami.
Which was something the spirit was quite cool. The replication effect of the treasure was actually very complex to work out. So there are two big challenges with the structure. First, the volume of treasure and the idea of this expansion. But then also the fact that there's the safety aspect of the kids being inside. If you've made the pieces fall out of
Yes, Ronnie.
Wow. Wow. So nice. Yun na yun.
Visual effect.
Sound effect yan. Come to Shambol Market.
Right? This is Shambles area. It's inspired by Infante.
Yeah.
Basically, it's inspired by Shambles in
York!
York, in York.
Yung kristal, yun, oh.
Ah, may sumisilip na mata. You know. Oh, sige, matatapilo ka ba dyan? Oh my. Puking pastels. Ganda dito. This is where you will buy wand. Wow, you're in wand heaven. All kinds of wand. Wand heaven. We will try na nasa loob kami ng film ng Harry Potter. So they're gonna video us. And then afterwards, we can watch our videos. So nagiwahiwalay na kami ng Simone and our daddy. Magkaiba kami ng face. Magkikita-kita kami sa cafe na lang. Last minute shopping ang aking mga kaibigang mayayaman sa benta. Magagaling magbenta, mga businessman. Oh, di ba? Naka-TK Maxx pa kami. Naka-sale pa kami.
Pero mas mura ang Poundland sa Europe.
So, Europe? Walang Poundland sa Europe? Tipo, turista. Bigat ng dala ko, girl. So, this is our hotel here in London. You have to go upstairs. Oh, there's a pub. Oh, there's a game lounge. Oh, nice. Dito yata event natin later. We're gonna go breakfast. Hello. Okay, so ready na kami dito. Oh, tignan mo naman to si Sis J at saka si Sis J at si Sheila. Girl na girl. Sila ngayon na nagbebenta ng jersey. Girl na girl nagbebenta ng jersey. Let's go. So dito yung loob sa dito yung event sa loob.